This is a translating cam and crank slider indexing mechanism. Its purpose is to convert continuous rotation into precise intermittent motion. The red shaft rotates continuously. An eccentric section drives the black double connecting rod, causing it to oscillate back and forth. As the linkage moves, the yellow slider follows the slot in the oscillating guide. This motion advances the blue output disc one step at a time. Meanwhile, the green slider interacts with the fixed guide and locks the output disc during the dwell period. As a result, the output rotates for a short interval and then remains perfectly stationary until the next indexing cycle. For a disc containing Z slots, the output advances exactly one slot, or 1 divided by Z revolution, during each revolution of the input shaft. Continuous input, precise indexing, perfect positioning.